The origin of humanity is a question that has captivated us for millennia. From the earliest days of human curiosity, we have sought to understand where we come from and how we came to be. This quest for knowledge has driven countless researchers and scientists to explore the depths of our past, examining ancient artifacts and studying the remnants of early humans. We gaze at the stars and wonder where we came from. The night sky, with its vast expanse and countless stars, has always been a source of inspiration and mystery. It reminds us of the infinite possibilities and the unknowns that lie beyond our reach. One of the most intriguing pieces of this puzzle is the first woman. Her existence raises profound questions about our origins and the nature of humanity itself. Who was she? What did she look like? How did she live? Where did she come from? This question has puzzled scientists and researchers for generations. The search for answers has led to groundbreaking discoveries and new theories about human evolution. How did she come to be? The answer lies in the complex interplay of genetics, evolution, and natural selection. Over millions of years, countless changes and adaptations have shaped the course of human history. The answer, like many things in science, is complex and constantly evolving. New discoveries and advancements in technology continue to shed light on our past, revealing new insights and challenging old assumptions. It isn't as simple as a single woman appearing out of thin air. The story of humanity is one of gradual change and transformation, a journey that spans millions of years and countless generations. Instead, it's a story of gradual change over millions of years. From the earliest single-cell organisms to the complex beings we are today, each step in our evolution has been a testament to the power of adaptation and survival, a story written in the very DNA that binds us together. Our genetic code holds the secrets of our past, a record of the countless changes and adaptations that have shaped our species. To understand the origins of the first woman, we must first journey back to the very beginnings of life itself. The early Earth was a harsh and volatile place, but it was also a cradle of life, where the first simple organisms began to emerge. We must explore the intricate mechanisms of evolution, the processes that drive change and adaptation in living organisms. Natural selection, genetic mutations, and environmental pressures all play a role in shaping the course of evolution. The development of sexual reproduction was a key milestone in this journey. It introduced new genetic combinations and increased the diversity of life, paving the way for the emergence of complex organisms. And the clues left behind in the fossil record provide a window into our past. Each fossil tells a story, a snapshot of a moment in time that helps us piece together the puzzle of our origins. Join me now as we delve into the fascinating world of science to uncover the secrets of our past and shed light on the enigmatic origins of the first woman. Together, we will explore the evidence, examine the theories, and embark on a journey through time to discover the story of humanity. From a biological perspective, the existence of a first woman implies the existence of a first man. This is because the process of sexual reproduction, which is fundamental to the continuation of many species, including humans, requires both a male and a female. The intricate dance of life is a partnership, a collaboration that has been ongoing for millions of years. It's not one without the other. The union of male and female is essential for the creation of new life. This partnership is seen across the animal kingdom, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. It is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Humans, like many species on Earth, are the product of sexual reproduction. This process is not just about the physical act of mating, but also about the transfer of genetic material that ensures the survival and evolution of the species. The beauty of this process is evident in the diversity of life forms that populate our planet. This process involves the combination of genetic material from two parents, a male and a female. Each parent contributes half of their genetic information to their offspring, creating a unique blend of traits that are passed down through generations. Each parent contributes half of their genetic information to their offspring. This genetic mixing is crucial for the health and adaptability of the species. It allows for variations that can lead to new traits and abilities, helping the species to thrive in changing environments. This ensures genetic diversity and increases the chances of survival for the species. Genetic diversity is a key factor in the resilience of populations, enabling them to withstand diseases, adapt to new challenges, and continue evolving over time. The first woman, therefore, was not a singular, unique entity. She was part of a continuum, a link in the long chain of life that stretches back to the very origins of our species. Her existence was a result of countless generations of evolution and adaptation. She was the product of this fundamental biological process, carrying within her the legacy of countless generations that came before. Her genetic makeup was a mosaic of traits inherited from her ancestors, each one contributing to her unique identity. To understand her origins, we need to rewind the clock billions of years to a time when life itself was just beginning. The story of the first woman is intertwined with the story of life on Earth, a tale of survival, adaptation, and the relentless drive to continue the cycle of life. Our planet, Earth, formed around 4.5 billion years ago. In its infancy, Earth was a chaotic and volatile place, vastly different from the world we know today. Yet, amidst this primordial soup, life emerged. The earliest forms of life were single-celled organisms, incredibly simple compared to the complexity of humans. These single-celled pioneers were the Adam and Eve of our cellular world. They were masters of survival, replicating themselves and adapting to the harsh conditions of early Earth. These early life forms were our ancestors, the origin point from which all life, including the first woman, eventually arose. For billions of years, life on Earth consisted solely of these single-celled organisms. They reproduced asexually, meaning they could create copies of themselves without the need for a partner. This process, while effective, had limitations. Asexual reproduction produced offspring that were genetically identical to the parent. This lack of genetic diversity made them vulnerable to environmental changes and diseases. Imagine a world where everyone is susceptible to the same cold. It wouldn't end well. To overcome this vulnerability and thrive, life needed to evolve. It needed to find a way to shuffle the genetic deck and increase diversity. This need led to one of the most significant developments in the history of life: sexual reproduction. Around 1.2 billion years ago, a revolution occurred in the tree of life. Sexual reproduction emerged, introducing a new level of complexity and diversity. Instead of simply cloning themselves, organisms began to combine their genetic material with others of their kind. This mixing of genes created offspring with unique combinations of traits, increasing the chances of survival in a constantly changing world. This innovation paved the way for the evolution of more complex organisms, eventually leading to the lineage that would produce the first woman. This wasn't an overnight change. The development of distinct sexes and the mechanisms of sexual reproduction evolved gradually over millions of years. Section 6, the missing link. Now we arrive at the heart of the mystery, a puzzle that has intrigued scientists for generations. Pinpointing the exact moment in this evolutionary saga when the first female ancestor of humans emerged is a challenge that requires meticulous research and a bit of imagination. Fossil records, while invaluable, offer a fragmented view of the past, like pages torn from a book. We have discovered numerous fossils of our ancestors, such as Australopithecus afarensis, which includes the famous Lucy, a key piece in our evolutionary puzzle. These fossils provide tantalizing clues about our evolutionary journey, each one a chapter in the story of human development. However, tracing the precise lineage that led to the first woman, the first individual with all the characteristics we now associate with the female sex, is a complex task. This remains a work in progress, a scientific endeavor that continues to evolve with each new discovery. It's like trying to complete a jigsaw puzzle with half the pieces missing, each new find adding a piece to the picture. We have a general idea of the picture, a broad understanding of our origins, but the finer details remain obscured, hidden in the mists of time, waiting to be uncovered by future generations of scientists. With advancements in technology such as DNA analysis and 3D scanning, we are getting closer to filling in these gaps. Each new technique brings us a step closer to understanding the intricate web of our ancestry. The journey to uncover the missing link is ongoing, a testament to human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to piece together our past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and wonder of human evolution. Section 7. Written in stone. Despite these limitations, the fossil record is our most reliable window into the past. Fossils provide physical evidence of our ancestors, their morphology, and their way of life. By studying subtle differences in bone structure, scientists can distinguish between male and female individuals in extinct species. For example, the shape of the pelvis can indicate if an individual was capable of giving birth. Similarly, the size and structure of teeth can provide clues about diet and lifestyle. By piecing together these fragments of evidence, we can begin to reconstruct the lives of our ancestors and understand the evolutionary pressures that shaped them. Section 8. The Gender Puzzle. The evolution of gender differentiation is complex and not fully understood. It's not simply about the development of physical differences between males and females. It also involves the evolution of behaviors, social structures, and even cognitive abilities. Some scientists believe that gender roles emerged as a way to divide labor and increase efficiency in early human societies. Others suggest that sexual selection played a role, with certain traits becoming more attractive to potential mates and thus more likely to be passed on to future generations. Regardless of the exact mechanisms, it's clear that the evolution of gender has had a profound impact on our species, shaping everything from our biology to our culture. Section 9. The Future of the Past. The search for the first woman is a journey through time, a quest to understand our place in the grand tapestry of life. While we may never pinpoint the exact moment she emerged, every fossil discovered, every DNA strand analyzed, brings us closer to comprehending our shared origins. The story of the first woman is a testament to the power of scientific inquiry. It's a reminder that with curiosity and perseverance, we can unravel the mysteries of the past and gain a deep